Today we're cooking crispy air fryer roasted potatoes. To begin, I prefer to leave the skin on the potato, and we'll slice this potato into 1-inch squares. Now we'll place our potatoes in a bowl and drizzle with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Next, we'll add our seasonings. We'll add half a teaspoon of garlic powder, we'll add half a teaspoon of seasoning salt, half a teaspoon of paprika, and a touch of black pepper. Now we'll mix it all thoroughly. We want that deliciousness on all of our potatoes. Preheat your air fryer to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the potatoes in the air fryer and we'll cook for 15 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. After 15 minutes, take the basket out and shake the potatoes thoroughly. Now we'll let those cook at 360 degrees for another 5 minutes. Now let's pull out the basket and check our potatoes. They should be crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. These crispy air fryer potatoes make a great side dish or a snack all by themselves. Try this recipe, I think you'll love it. Have a great day.